Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to bleach the knots of a 360 frontal wig. And if you'd like to see how it goes through, better stay tuned. If you're watching for the first time, I'm not your hairstylist, and you're welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So this is the 360 frontal wig. We're going to be bleaching its knots. If you look closely at the front line of the frontal, you can see those dark knots, so we're going to try take it away. I'll be using my spray bottle to spray water around the front line and also using a comb to comb it down so that it will lay flat. So I'm doing this because I don't want, when I'm bleaching the frontal, hair strands from the other side will be touching the parts I'm bleaching. I'd be using my olive oil bleaching powder with my Kingwella 12% developer, mixing it together properly, before I start applying onto the frontal. And I don't want the mixture too thick and I don't want it too thin. I just want it in between so that it doesn't seep through the frontal piece. The mixture of the bleach is perfect and we're about to start bleaching the 360 frontal this week. Now we'll be applying the mixture onto the lace gently, very gently, because if you use too much, if you use force to apply it, it's going to come out at the other end and it's going to bleach your hair. We just want to bleach the knots, not the hair at all. So when we're done applying the mixture, we're going to wait for 10 minutes. You're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. Then, you have to be checking it because you don't want it to over bleach, even though it's 10 minutes. So you just come, you check it. Then once the 10 minutes is up, you move straight to washing it out. We're going to be rinsing out the bleach first before we start washing. So you rinse out the bleach thoroughly. The next step after rinsing out your bleach is to put your purple shampoo on your lace. So we're going to apply the purple shampoo on the lace, and we're going to rub it in, so that it tones the brassiness of the frontal lace. So after rubbing it in, we're going to leave it for like 30 minutes before we come back to rinse out the purple shampoo we already applied on the frontal lace. You can see how the lace looks now. The black knots have totally disappeared. I'll be going ahead to apply the Hawaiian silky on my frontal hair because I want the hair to remain smooth after it has dried. So guys, this is what the lace frontal looks like right now, and the black knots have gone away and the frontal wig is ready to style scalp. I put this frontal, against my skin, and it's looking like the hair is growing from my hand, literally. So this is how to perfectly bleach a 360 frontal lace wig. Thanks for watching. If you love this video, let me know what you think in my comment section. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so whenever I post a video, you'll be among the first people to know. Bye. See you in my next video.